What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as I've done probably for every single video, I need to request every single person to like, comment, share, subscribe. I've seen like 95% of you lot are not subscribed, which is a joke. So let's get the subscriptions up. You know, the numbers, it all helps a lot more than you think. It's just simple clicks of buttons. There's also a Discord link below, so if you want to see kind of behind the scenes, what's coming up, you know, just before or when I pick up the sneakers, I like to post them there. But yeah, let's get straight into this one. Puma season. So we've got that red and white Puma box, and it says soft foam plus optimal comfort. Standard Puma box, as you've all probably seen before. Let's just get straight into what the shoe is. So this is a Puma Graviton Pro, Puma Black Dark Shadows the colorway. The style code is 38073601. Made in China, and the sizing is UK 10, Euro 44.5, US 11, and centimeters 29. Let's get straight into the sneaker. So we've got the Puma Graviton. It is a very basic shoe, you know, plain black, nothing wow or loud. And personally, I do like these a lot. I think they're a good casual shoe, very good casual shoe. You know, when you get a bit older, you don't want bright colors. This is where you should go. Very comfortable, I do have to say, but let's run through the colors. So the bottom, we've got a kind of like a waffle sole. It really reminded me of the Nike waffle ones, so that kind of waffle sole. If you know the history behind it, Nike made it in a waffle maker. Yeah, the midsole is black. It is quite small. The midsole is not that wide. It's probably about a centimeter wide, and then about 1.5 towards the back. We've got some plastic on here which says Puma, and it does wrap around the heel. Then we've got suede on the back, suede all around the front, the toe box, and wrapping around, so all around the front and the back. We've got kind of like a mesh here, and then we've got, it's actually like a ribbon in the back, leather on the Puma swoosh is what I like to call it, mesh toe box, which Puma love to do. More mesh, leather, pretty basic. You know, a mix of materials, as Puma loves to do. Puma loves to have a mix of materials, so you can always find, like, if it's not like a leather only version or just a simple shoe, even this is quite simple, but Puma do like to use more than one material. So we've got the little ribbony type material there, we've got mesh, we've got this leather, suede, plastic, you know, a bunch of different materials. On the back we've got the Puma as well, that is kind of like a sticker onto the bit of leather. And then we've got the standard Puma laces, just the normal flat laces, and then we've got like a tab that says Puma on the tongue, just in a leather stitched in. Then the insole is that soft foam optimal comfort one, optimal comfort. It's in that greenish foam. It is very comfortable. I have tried these on. One thing I have to say about Puma, comfort is up there. Comfort is always there. But yeah, I really do like this shoe. I think it's very nice and casual. Just on an off day, it would look decent with some shorts as well in the summertime, just if you want a relaxing one. Especially at the price point, it was about 50 quid or about 45. Can't remember off the top of my head, but you know, a bargain regardless. You know, simple shoe. I don't really have too much more to say. I do like it. Can't go wrong with the triple black colorway. And yeah, so just let me know if you like the shoe. Comment below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Click the bell icon. Join the Discord if you wish. Any requests will be appreciated. Any reviews you want to see, just let me know. And yeah, on foot video will come in a few moments. Just wait a few seconds for that and you'll see it. And most importantly, take care, my people.